I've got the Ego Power 1 stage steel auger with two 5.0 batteries. I did want the 2-stage one, but that's about double the price and at this point triple the price. Very easy out of the box. Um, just put the batteries in. Push the button to start it up, and off you go. See how it works. This snow was a little heavy and compact, but the steel auger had no problem getting through it. And just zoom through the rest of this. It took me about 10 minutes to do the driveway. A standard 2-car garage driveway. Plenty of battery left. No problems with the snow. I don't need anything bigger than this. So for me, it works really well. So for the price, I would definitely recommend it if you have a driveway like this.